Hold up. What's good, guys? Welcome to the Electrio. Now, if you guys have been noticing, I have not been posting a lot of videos. For one, I am actually moving, just so you all know, and I have a great setup already at the new house, and I'm so excited to show you guys the brand new setup video. Also, yeah, that kind of fun stuff. Today, as you can tell, we're actually going to be learning a little bit of Audacity. Now, let me go ahead and show you something real quick. I don't know what this is. Blip. I do have CC Cleaner though. Okay, now what you can do, this is the broadcaster here. This is OBS. If you guys don't know what it is, I really love this software. Really awesome, and it's free, of course. So here is your little system here, and no one cares. I don't really want to talk about OBS today, but as you can see over here, there's this little microphone thing here, and right now I'll be using my editor. I'll be probably showing you guys my editor. I don't know, maybe now. Who cares? Who knows? But anyways, I'll probably be editing this video over here. I don't know, but wherever I put it. Okay. Anyway, so you have this little guy here, which you can turn off and whatever you want to do with it. But you know, simple stuff like that. And let's go ahead and do a sound test with OBS compared to Audacity. Alright, here we go. We're going to start with the number one thing, the clap. So here we go. This is going to be in Audacity, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and do just two normal claps and a normal rhythm. That was three. Who cares? And let's do three fast. Okay, now let's do the three normal again. Okay, now let's go to OBS. Okay, so now that we're in OBS, as you can see, we're still recording on Audacity still, but you know, editor stuff, you know, you'll probably see it in this video over here on the side, maybe. I don't know, but let's go ahead and do the clap test again. Here we go. The normal one and the quick. So here we go. Okay, now we're going to do the fast test. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go ahead and just take a look at the readback on Audacity. Here we go. Okay, ready and action. Okay, so now that we have this going on and we're already done with the editing, today, as you can tell, we're using I'm sorry, you may have heard that. Anyway, so that is the video. Just so you know, the audio controls are the same, pretty much, and I had to edit the whole thing, like, pretty interesting. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure that you also subscribe to the Electrio. I've been seeing a good progress with the channel. I just hurt my computer. And I want to see this continuing. And also, the next video, I was thinking maybe, just maybe, we could do a setup video, or a what is it called? How to get Bluetooth for free on Windows 7. And you're like, what? Whoa! You have Windows 10, and I never, just so you know, I never had this thing called Windows 7. I only had 8.1 and 8 on this specific laptop I have, and when I first got it, it did have Windows 10. Oh, hello. And yeah, and also I was thinking of doing some reviews, maybe on the Electrio Gaming. I have not been doing anything on that channel. I didn't want to do anything on it just yet. Yeah, so but yeah, so peace out, guys. Make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, as I said, and subscribe to the channel.